Let's tour the most expensive estate in Enugu State, Nigeria. Ndewono, it's your girl Abby of Southeast, and in today's video, I will be showing you Zoo Estate. Zoo Estate is probably the most expensive estate in Enugu, and it's located in the heart of town. Zoo Estate is beside the State Governor's Lodge, and it's also beside 82 Division, Enugu. The estate is now called Ekulu East Estate and is fully developed and has its own transformer to supply constant electricity. One funny fact is that the streets in this estate are named after animals. So you have streets like Zebra Street, Fox Street, Giraffe Street, Penguin Street, amongst many others. That's just unique, isn't it? Because of its advantageous location and other factors, the houses in this estate are on the high side. A 1,100 square meter size land in this estate is currently worth 350 million naira, while a 600 square meter size land with a boys' quarter is currently worth 200 million naira. So, what do you think? Will you like to live in Zebra or Lion Street? Remember, you can find more videos like this on my channel. So don't forget to like, share, and stay subscribed to this channel. Until next time, see you in my next video. Bye!